Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to offer split payments to customer like buy now and pay later. So for this, first of all, go to Wix.com and go to Wix dashboard. Now here in the left side, we have this getting paid option. From here, click on connect and setup. As you clicked, you will be directed to this page. Now click on connect payments where you will find multiple payment apps. So now if I scroll down and there we have see more payment options, click on it. Okay, so here it will take few seconds, and next we have first one is Afterpay where you will accept credit or debit card payment. Then we have Klarna, which is accepting buy now and pay later payments in 4 installments. And then we have Sizzle, which is also offering you buy now pay later. So you can connect with these apps like Klarna and Sizzle. Simply click on connect and here create an account with Sizzle, or if you have any, then simply add your login credentials and then your account will be connected with Wix, and from there you can offer your customers buy now pay later services. So in this way you can split payments on Wix. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.